Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh.
And I, oh.
Hey my raisins, welcome back to today's video. If you are joining us for the first time, this channel is dedicated to hair and makeup, and if that's your thing, be sure to click the subscribe button and join the family. Alright, so in today's video we are going to have a tutorial on eyeshadow and wing liner. And with the wing liner I'm going to improvise a bit because I ran out. Alright, so let's dive right into it. I'm going for like a nude eyeshadow, matte nude. So I'm using this Hermosa Flow shadow palette. I'm going in with the milk and I'm going to apply this here. Alright, so next up I'm gonna go in with the Royalty, and I need a fluffy brush for that. After that's done, I'm going to go in with Devotion. I'm going to go in just below like this. And then next up, I'm gonna go with, I think I'm gonna go in with Chastity. I'm gonna blend it. I don't have a clean brush with, I do. Do I? I do. And I'm going to blend it. And then next up, we are going to go back in with the milk. Next up, we are going to do a wing line. With all my previous videos that I've winged the line, I've used the Essence liquid ink, but I have run out and I'm going to attempt to use mascara that is also running out. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip it on from the tip of this mascara thing, and that's the ink, and I'm going to wing. It seems to be working. And if you don't have like a liquid liner brush or like a wing liner brush, you can always use like an angle brush, the same brush or a similar brush to what you use when you put concealer on your eyebrows. I think that's it for that. And just to kind of like perfect, we're going to correct any errors on the sides. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put foundation and just finish it off, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so this is the final look, all cleaned up. Be good? Be good. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh.
And I
forgot. I actually forgot to put like actual mascara. Just a sec. Alright, so the mascara is on, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys loved it. I had a good time, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.